Hey, tech enthusiasts! In today's video, we're talking about some exciting news from Samsung. Entry-level Galaxy Z Fold 6 introduction. Exciting news for foldable phone fans. Alongside the flagship, Samsung is expected to introduce an entry-level Galaxy Z Fold 6. This more affordable option is said to be hitting the market around September or October. Production and shipment goals. Let's talk numbers. Samsung aims to ship between 200,000 and 300,000 units of the entry-level Z Fold 6. While these figures might seem modest compared to mass-market smartphones, they reflect the growing interest and expanding market for foldable devices. Strategic launch timing. Now, onto the strategy behind the timing. Launching the entry-level Z Fold 6 in the fall could be Samsung's play to overshadow the iPhone 16 series launch, typically in September. It's a clever move, aiming to capture the spotlight and consumer interest during a peak time for smartphone launches. As we wrap up, the addition of an entry-level Galaxy Z Fold 6 could shake up the foldable phone scene, offering more options to consumers and heating up the competition with Apple's iPhone 16. What are your thoughts on this strategic move by Samsung? Will it sway buyers from the iPhone to the foldable side? Let us know in the comments.